Division of fractions. If I wanted to do 3 divided by a quarter, then I can think of it like this. If I draw this long rectangle here, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 of them. If I ask this question, how many quarters will actually go into this whole shape? You can see, well, that's 1 quarter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So you can see we have 12 quarters in here. So the answer to this question, 3 shared between a quarter, will actually be equal to 12. Now, if you notice, this is the same as doing the following. 3, changing the multiplication sign, the division sign to a multiplication sign, and then inverting the fraction 4 over 1. And we know that 3 times 4 is 12, and at the bottom here we're just going to have 1. 12 divided by 1 is 12. So this works for all fractions. So to divide fractions, you write down the first number, be it a whole or a fraction, change the sign to multiplication, and then invert the second fraction. So notice we have inverted the second fraction. So 3 over 4 divided by 5 over 8 becomes 3 over 4, change the division sign to multiplication, and then invert the second fraction to 8 over 5. And then we do it like multiplication. However, we notice that 4 goes into 4 and into 8, so we'll cancel first, like we did it before. So 4's into 4 go 1, 4's into 8 go 2, and then we multiply across the top. 3 times 2 is equal to 6, and 1 times 5 is equal to 5. 5 goes into 6 one time with 1 left over out of 5. One more example. 2/7 divided by 3/5. We do exactly the same. Write down 2/7, change this sign to multiplication, and then invert the second fraction to make it 5 over 3. There's nothing that cancels here, so we'll do 2 times 5, which is 10, and then 7 times 3, which is 21. So the final answer is 10 over 21.